Oh, so today we have the Anchor Liberty 4s. They had just came out not too long ago. So we're going to break these down. The Liberty series is one of the most favorite series from Soundcore fans. So we're going to see these. We're going to unbox them and check them out. Let's get to it. Oh, what's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy. My name is Rodney. And today, like I said, we have the Anchor Liberty 4s right here in hand. These are going for $150 right now on Amazon. I put that link down in the description below so you guys can check that out. And hopefully, since Christmas is getting a little bit closer, there might be deals on that. And when you guys click that link, I do get a little commission for it, so I really do appreciate it. It makes Amazon have to pay me for sending you that way. So thank you for that. All right, so this is a first little look of these. These things are pretty nice, but they look so shiny. They look so clean. This is some nice pair of earbuds that Soundcore has right here. I like the design. I like the little light flashing in there. The case is pretty small. It'll have no problem in your pocket. Definitely around the size probably of like the Apple AirPod Pro size, you know, the little square size. As you can see, it's not too wide. Even the chapstick is almost covering it right there. It's not too wide. It's barely popping out there lengthwise. Let's say 1, 2.5 chapsticks wide. So basically it's not too wide, fit in your pocket, no problem. I noticed that right when I picked it up, it was pretty small. And like I said, the design of these earbuds are pretty sick. Now they have these new wingtips that they're calling like cloud comfort, not wingtips, ear tips. Now they're saying they're supposed to be very comfortable. I will see when I test these, when I put these on, can't wait. But let's get to the battery life and the waterproofness and all that other stuff. So they say with the battery life, you're gonna be looking at 9 hours off of one charge. So basically once you take it out, you put it in your ear, you're gonna get 9 hours of battery life. Now in the case, they're saying you're gonna have 28 hours. But if you're playing your earbuds on max volume, you're probably gonna be looking at 4 to 5 hours. And that's because normally when they test products, they test them at medium to low volume, so in between that, and that's why the battery life is so long. With the case being 28 hours, you basically got a whole day's worth. And if you're using it in mono, meaning if you got one in your ear, one in the case, and when the other one dies, just switch it up, then you probably got like 2 days worth of listening. Normally my earbuds last forever. I swear I go through them and I feel like I don't charge for a couple of days, almost a week sometimes, because I'm using the mono method. I'm using one at a time. So when it comes to waterproofness, we were looking up and down and sides, but we couldn't really find it. We finally found, I believe these are IPX4. Some of the lowest we've seen. Earbuds seem they're moving more and more into the IPX, 7s. IPX4, you're gonna have no problem with the sweat. You're gonna have no problem with the rain. One thing I am noticing, the same with the Bose ones we had, with these earbuds, the IPX4 seems to be more in that range when the tech is kind of more crazier on the earbud. I don't know, I could be wrong. I could be making it up. I don't know. I'm just an average consumer. Shout out Judd. But yeah, so you're gonna be looking at IPX4 on these. So I'm gonna put these on. Let's take a little on ear, on head look. Here we go. They don't look too bad. So that's the on-air look of the Liberties. They don't look too bad. I think they look pretty sleek, pretty smooth. I like the way they look. Nice little feel. I do like these little ear tips. The ear tips feel pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so we are connected and I'm gonna connect it to the app and let's just see what it has in the app right now. All right, so we have the app here, as you guys can see. When you first go into the app, it just shows you how to do the ear tips and all of that. And it also tells you how to work it. Squeeze control. Oh, it does a little clicky sound. All right, so now we're here in the app, as you guys can see. So when you go into the app, you're going to be seeing pretty much everything your earbuds has. Right there, you have the left and the right of your battery life. And under that, you can see the different modes. You have transparent, you have normal, and then you have noise canceling. So you have your different modes right there. And then they have like the Hear ID noise canceling test. So if you want to do that and suit it to your likings, you can do that as well. Also, they have the sound effects in there. They have the spatial audio, so you can get that 360 sound where the music feels like it's around you in different areas. And the music are in your earbuds, I should say. Or you can go to the default, or you can customize your EQ. And when you customize your EQ, let me move that login. You can boost anything you want, the bass, you can boost the mids on there, you can boost your highs, however you want. You can make a couple customs, as you can see at the bottom, you can save them. So whatever you want to do on there, you can get that started. Custom EQ is always great. I think Soundcore has probably the best EQ app, or just best app in general when it comes to all these companies, Bose, JBL, all these Everyone loves the Soundcore app. It is pretty amazing. They let you customize a lot of things. Now we're here in the controls, and it shows you right there. If you click it, that's how you control the stuff. It shows you at the top with it blinking, and it lets you know which one you're focusing on. So on the right, if you do a single press, you can customize what you want to do. You can do the volume, next song, previous song, play, or talk to Siri. Any of that, you can do that on here with the customize, and you can control both of them. So the left and right, you can customize so many different things. You got the double press, single press, and then you have the triple press. So you can basically have 6 different functions on the earbuds combined. So that's really good. So there's that as well. And they also were talking about, they have the health tracker, and I'm guessing that's with the Soundcore Wellness right there. They have the wellness app right there with the heart rate in there, and then you can see that. So if you go into there, they show you all the different things of what it can do. We can do let's get started, and then you'll just fill out your stuff. Let's just do anything right now. And there you go. So basically you can see your heart rate, your stress level, and all that stuff. So it's a pretty cool little feature they added. They're doing so many different things because they have like the sleep app and all that tracks when you sleep with the sleep earbuds. So there's so many different things that they're doing with this app. The earbuds have been in my ear this whole time. I'm still liking the tips of the earbuds. I really like them. They feel comfortable. Even these are still a little bit bigger. I'll probably go a size down. I'll probably have to go with a smaller one, but even these medium ones are not bugging me. They even have a medium too. So I like that. But let's test out this audio. Let me see what it sounds like. I give you guys my thoughts since you can't hear with me. That's why I like speakers better than earbuds and headphones, because you guys can hear with me. But I'm gonna test it out real quick. I'm about to pull out. I am back from listening to a couple of songs. I was going through some EDM, some hip hop, a little bit of country. I was going through a whole bunch of different songs. One thing I did notice is the bass is pretty good on these. It's not better than those new Bose's Quiet Comfort 2s. The bass is crazy. You can hear the low rumble, boo. But this is probably second of my new favorite bass earbuds. Probably third, I don't know. But the bass is really good on these. I do like the bass. The vocals were really clear, but in the highs, so in people's vocals and certain instruments, they get really sharp and harsh. They kind of hurt your ears. So definitely you want to get that app and EQ some of that out, meaning you want to drop some of the right hand side down a little bit, because it does get a little harsh and it will hurt some people's ears. Some people's ears, it probably won't affect at all. But for mine, I could really hear like people's S's in the songs, and then like hi-hats and claps that are kind of loud and stuff. It kind of hurt my ears. Right out of the box, you definitely want to probably EQ that, drop it down a little bit to where it's more favorable for you. The mid sounded good, so mostly like more men's voices like stay in that middle range, and then a little bit in the higher mids as well. But the mids were fine. The lower instruments that are not meant to be highs were fine, and the bass was really good. I did like the bass on these as well. It doesn't have really that rumble. It has more of a thumpy bass. It doesn't have the it's just more of a pound, you know what I'm saying? So all in all, pretty good. And one good thing is the EQ could wipe all that out, and you can customize your sound how you want it. But yeah, that's it, buds. All around, I think the earbuds are pretty good. The Liberty series is like one of Soundcore's most popular series when it comes to earbuds and stuff. If you guys want to check this out, I'll put the link down in the description below. And like I said, when you guys click that, I do get a little commission, so I really do appreciate it. But if you want to check out some more of their earbuds, or even some more budget ones, they have a budget option. I'll put that up there for you guys. You guys can click that, check it out. Also, subscribe, like, and leave a comment if this video helped you out. Thank you so much. So all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. I see all you guys in my next video. My name is Rodney. This was Wanna Buy It. Peace.